So related to internet is working, so you have to update the Wi-Fi driver and LAN driver.
So guys, install the
go
driver,
to hp.com and
go to
then
first
extract
hp.com,
three dot
then
to
click to
click
three dot
support and then
support,
software and driver.
click to software and driver,
Then click to laptop.
click to laptop, scroll down, type
HP Omen 17.
select operating system, then click to submit. Driver and network. So guys, you can see this is Bluetooth driver, and this is the wireless means Wi-Fi driver, and this is the local area means LAN driver cable. Okay, so first we have tried to download the Wi-Fi driver. If we are using by Wi-Fi, so like that. Okay, this is downloading. Start Wi-Fi driver and go to back. Now try to install. Select again operating system, extract again network, LAN driver. Okay, so you can see this size and click to download. So one is downloading in progress. Second also start. So first is completed, so just single click to Wi-Fi driver. So you can see the wireless means Wi-Fi driver, and then click to yes. Next, I accept. Next, next. Okay, it will come install by the CMD. It will complete it, and then try to install this one, LAN driver. Then you can see the local area network LAN driver, and then click to yes. Next, I accept. Next, next. So I already installed, just click to repair and then next. When you install fresh installations, it is not showing here. So next to install it. Okay, new driver install and version like that. Then it is completed, just click to finish, and after that restart your system. Thank you.